Hey guys, Randog here. I wanted to show you this RZR, a unique color. Pretty sharp. Polaris RZR XP. Oh, with the oversized shocks. Walker Evans. I don't think I've ever heard of that. Usually it's Fox or Bilstein. That is sharp. That is different too. Yeah, I've never heard of those shocks. Oh, I like the wheels. That's sharp. A little basic, but not too bad. Oh, we got the winch. I like it. I don't think I've ever seen one in that color. Like a sandstone color. Alright guys, that's all I got. I will talk to you later. That's nice. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a good one.